Hey loves, it's Chellbee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Chellbee, the blogger behind Chellbee.com. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I am going to be doing a very short video. It's going to be just for you Christian ladies that are beginners and looking to start journaling. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more faith videos from me. And if by any chance I talk too fast and you can't get down all these journal prompts, don't worry. All you have to do is click the description box. There will be a blog post where you can find the journal prompts all written out for you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you're a beginner Christian and this is, your first time really embarking on this journey seriously, and you're looking for ways to really develop and deepen in your relationship with Christ, I recommend taking 15 to 20 minutes to journal on these questions. You obviously don't need to do all of these in one day. So this would be like maybe a 3-day journaling. Maybe you might start on Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you might take and you might journal on each one of these questions for 15 to 20 minutes. Just to take some time to yourself and reflect on these questions is a great way to kind of deepen your relationship with Christ and start your day off on the right foot. You can start your day with Jesus by journaling. So let's hop right into it with the first question. What does it mean to be a Christian? And when I say that, I mean, what does it mean to you? So this is not something where you need to research, look through the Bible or anything like that. Just in your heart, what does it mean to you? Writing that out, writing out your thoughts. It's not about being perfect or being researched or biblically sound or anything like that. Just about what it means to you in your heart. The second journal prompt would be to list 3 things that you would like to improve in your spiritual life in 2018. So what are 3 areas in your spiritual life that you want to improve on in 2018? And I'm sure you can probably think of plenty, but 3 is a starter. If you have more, definitely write them down. And don't just write down what you want to improve in, but also take the time to write about how you want to do that. So, definitely think through like ideas and solutions to how you can improve in those areas. And not to say that that won't develop and change as you learn more, but to go ahead and start thinking about solutions now is a great way, to kind of get that reflective process started. The third journal prompt question is, what burdens are you currently carrying that you need God's help with? A big part for me in beginning out in my spiritual journey was really taking the time to understand the importance of what it meant to trust God, and not just trusting and believing, that the word was truth, but also trusting Him with the things that I was going through, trusting Him to take care of me. All of that took work and time, and it's still work and it's still taking time. It's, an ongoing journey and process, but giving those burdens over or beginning the process of beginning to think about how you can go about giving your burdens to God and, what it takes and what it means for you to give those over to God is very important to start thinking about in the beginning of your journey. It's a part of developing that trust with Him and deepening that relationship with Him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely a starting place, and I will make sure to leave links below to the Bible study routine video along with Bible study tips for beginners in the description box, along with a link to the blog post that will have the journal prompts written out for you in case you need them. Until next time, you guys, be blessed, and I can't wait to talk to you guys again soon. Bye!